Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is going to be a simple and healthy snack. We are going to make Khumb Kababs or mushroom kebabs. These kebabs are pan fried and have very little spices, hardly any spices you can see. Kids also are going to love them and it's a treat for mushroom lovers. So shall we get started? These are the ingredients for Khumb Kabab. We'll require about 200 to 250 grams of mushrooms, 2 green chillies, few mint leaves, handful of coriander leaves, 1 cup of finely chopped onions, 3/4 cup of oats, quick cooking oats, 150 ml of milk, half teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper, salt to taste, and 4 tablespoons of oil. You can also check out the detailed recipe link in the description box. Now let's proceed. First we are going to dry roast the oats. Put them in a pan and stir them continuously with a spatula, adjusting the flame between high and medium until they change the color. Now you can see they have become light brown. At this stage, remove them in a plate and set them aside. And also mince the mushrooms in a chopper. Mince them finely. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil. When it is hot, add the onions. Now we are going to saute the onions till they are translucent. Now you can add the minced mushrooms. We'll saute these also very well until all the moisture is gone and the color changes. Mushrooms give out a lot of water, so we have to see that it is completely dried up. You can see now the color is becoming little light brown. At this stage, you can add the roasted oats. Now stir them together until they are well blended. Saute them well. Now add the milk. This will help cooking the oats, because oats require a little bit of moisture to be puffed up. Keep continuously stirring it. Season it with salt and black pepper. Chopped mint, coriander leaves and green chillies. Now continue stirring until it resembles a dough. It gathers together so that we are able to make the kebabs. It's really amazing, this recipe. Without the addition of any spices, the kebabs taste awesome. Check for the salt and continue to stir. The color should be light brown. Then remove it in a plate and allow it to cool. Once you are able to handle it, start making the kebabs. Give any shape, round, oval, whatever you like. These kebabs are kid friendly as they have no spices, and they are also perfect for people who avoid spices due to acidity problems. But believe me, you have to try them out to check the taste. Without the addition of spices, how the kebabs can taste so good. In fact, I surprised my hubby, served the kebabs, and he really thought they were non-veg kebabs. Now they are ready. We get 10 kebabs out of this mixture. 10 medium-sized kebabs. Now time to fry them. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Spread it with a spatula. If the pan is large enough, you can put all 10 of them at the same time. We are going to shallow fry them with just 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the pan is hot, reduce the flame so that the kebabs get cooked inside also very well. Now flip them carefully. Lovely color on one side. The frying takes just 5 to 6 minutes, so you can just do this when you are ready to serve them. You can see they have got a lovely color. Fry them until the outer layer is nice and crispy and golden brown. Almost done now. Once they are done, you can remove them in a platter. Khumb Kababs are ready to be relished. Don't they look so delicious? It's definitely a party snack too. So friends, make and enjoy these kebabs with your family and surprise your friends when they visit you. They look lovely, isn't it? You have to taste them to believe it. Now let's check out how they have turned out. Serve them with mint chutney and some salad. Look at the perfect texture. Looks like non-veg kebab. They look really deceptive. No one can say that they are vegetarian kebabs. And that too without any spices. They really taste awesome. I'm sure you are going to love them. A gentle request to the new visitors, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new uploads. And here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out as well. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.